Do you want to know the quickest way to make money and to become very rich? Everyone wants to be rich, everyone wants to make tons of money. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 different ways to make money. The first way, be an employee. Start doing a job, trade your time, energy, and skills with time, and you get money. This is the slowest way to make money. It will take at least 30 to 40 years, and if you invest properly, if you manage your money well, then you will become rich. And at least you can see you will become a financially secure. If you master your skill, then and if you keep continuing, and nowadays if you keep finding a better job for yourself, then you can say that you will go ahead, that is, you will become a financial independent, but you will never able to enjoy that financial freedom. For that, you need to go ahead. The second way to make money is be a specialist. In this category, the self-employment, that is self-employed people comes, like best are doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, the professionals, okay, teachers, or even the small categories like plumber, carpenter, artist, painter, actor, musicians, singers. The list is so huge. The self-employed, if you're really master of your work, then you will definitely will going to attract lots of money, lots of people. You will get that fame, name, everything. But that is for master. Otherwise, this self-employment will give you a lot of pain. You may be thinking at some point in your career that the job was much better as compared to this profession, because at least in job you are consistently earning that much money. But in the self-employment, this time comes that you are not earning consistently, and that is also in chunks. You are making reach to other people, like you are paying taxes, you are giving rent, you are giving salary, electricity, and all those investments that you have to upgrade every now and then. But the best part is you have to master your skill. You are in control of your business. Of course, when you scale up your business, when you master your skill, when you have more and more business is coming for you, then you can say you are earning a lot of money. But always remember, self-employed and the specialist, if they are not really master of their skill, then they suffer a lot. But again, this is also much better as compared to job, because you are having that freedom, you are having that control, you can create anything the way you want to live your life. This is the better option. Now the third way, this is much better as compared to previous two. Be an investor. Now you may be thinking to invest something like in properties like land, shop, second home. If you're thinking that you are buying your first home and you are making an investment, then you are wrong. You are taking loan and then you are investing, then it's asset for your bank, not for you. It's liability for you till you finish that loan amount. So the third way, be an investor, means you have to keep consistently investing, and after 10, 15, 20 years, you can think you will going to make a lot of money out of your investment. Don't invest in those, especially you are young. Don't invest in those FDs, RDs in bank. That is for old people, or that is for the people who don't know the power of investment. You can invest in business, and here I am talking about the equity, that is share market. I am not suggesting you to become a trader. 99% traders lose their money. I'm telling you, here I would like to suggest you one book, that is The Intelligent Investor by Graham. Okay, I don't remember the complete name, but that book is the best. You can read it not just once, several times. So you will learn how to invest much better way. Every month, even if you are doing a job or you are a self-employed, consistently invest small amount from your earning. Okay, it may be a 5%, 10%, but if you over the period of time, if you just invest 10% of your earning for, let's say, for next 20 years consistently in different diversified now the fourth best way, and this is the fastest, quickest and the most powerful way to earn a lot of money, tons of money, is by being an entrepreneur. Start your own business, and the businessman always is the better person. Why? Because it's creating a job, it is creating wonderful products and services. The businessman is having so much power that here in India, it can even support governments. It really helps different parties to win. Means who will going to win election? It's totally depend and sponsored by many times by a businessman. All the business campaign, actually it's applied to everywhere, because I don't want to go so much deep into that. But one thing is sure, everyone is working for businessmen. When businessman supports any party, that, and if they win, they design the policies and the tax in such a way which really helps businesses to grow. So here also I would like to suggest so many books, but the best book is T. Harv Eker book, The Millionaire Mindset. Okay, you can read that book. So the 4 different ways to make money are like this. First, find a job. Second, be a self-employed. For this, you need to develop, master your skill. Third best way, be an investor. And the fourth best of the best way is be an entrepreneur. Start your business. If you found this video wonderful, if you found this video helpful, below I have shared one Facebook group link. I want you to accept that invitation and join that group. Thank you.